Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU-262NL. This is your trailer shackle strap that's 2.62 inches long. Let's check it out. Okay, so we're looking at part number TPU-262NL. This is your trailer shackle strap that's 2.62 inches long. So we'll just measure it out real quick, and then we'll go into some details of what it's used for. The measurement from center of one hole to center of the other hole is going to be 2.62 inches, as you can see, and the overall length is going to be 3.87 inches. Thickness on here is 0.23 inches, and it has a 0.57 inch spring hole, so it uses a 9/16 inch spring bolt, typically 9/16 by 3 inches long, like part number TPU 916-3. And I'll just give you a couple of examples of what this is used for. So say you got a single axle trailer, and on the rear hanger on the single axle trailer, you're going to have your hanger right here, and then you would have these shackle straps that are actually connected to your hanger like so. You'd have the 9/16 bolts in here, like the 4101-5W I'm using currently. So you'd have the shackle straps that go in here like this, and then you would have your spring that's going to be connected onto the shackle straps, and it would sit something like this. So that's one instance of what these shackle straps are used for, and it allows movement with your spring suspension. If you had a tandem setup, you would have 4 of these, and there would actually be 2 on each side of the equalizer, like so. So if you had a tandem setup, you would use these spring shackle bolts like this. And when you're installing them, make sure they're always facing up, just like how I have it right now. A lot of people will install them the wrong way and actually have them facing down like this. And that is not correct, my friends. That's going to cause you a lot of problems in the long run. So whenever you're installing these and replacing them, make sure you replace them the correct way and have them installed facing up like so. That's going to save you a lot of trouble. Always have them installed facing up. Spring would attach right here. So that's kind of the setup you'd be looking at. And if you need these, we always keep them in stock. You can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. I don't know if it does anything, but it sure does make me feel good. Thanks for watching.